Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade gravy. To begin, gather your essential ingredients, focusing on those rich pan drippings from your roasted meats. These drippings are the secret to a truly flavorful gravy. Next, ensure you have some all-purpose flour ready, as it will be our primary thickening agent. Finally, have a cold liquid like broth or water on hand to prevent any lumps from forming when you start whisking. Now let's create the roux, the foundation of your gravy. Heat your pan drippings or a bit of butter over medium heat. Once shimmering, sprinkle in your all-purpose flour. Whisk constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until it forms a smooth paste and turns a light golden color. This cooking time helps eliminate the raw flour taste. Then, gradually whisk in 1 cup of cold broth or water, ensuring no lumps form. With your roux and liquid combined, it's time to perfect the flavor and consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to whisk occasionally. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Remember, you can always add more liquid like additional broth if you prefer a thinner gravy. Once your gravy is perfectly seasoned, you might want to strain it through a fine mesh sieve for an incredibly silky smooth texture. This step is optional but highly recommended for a restaurant-quality finish. Serve your delicious homemade gravy immediately over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or whatever your heart desires. It's truly the only way to elevate any meal. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.